Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, yesterday I was saying how this looks like it could possibly end the correction and continue the uptrend. But then what ended up happening, instead of it being a 1, 2, 3 ABC pattern, it went up and made another lower high, it went down and made another lower low. That turned it into a five-wave pattern. A five-wave pattern is not just going to continue the uptrend. More than likely, this is a five waves of A. More than likely, this is a wave B. And more than likely, we're probably in a wave C right now. So I'm definitely still keeping an eye out for a long. I'm definitely still watching my Fibonacci retracement levels. I still think this could be a wave one and a wave two. I think it just stretched out into a little bit of a bigger correction. Wave C's usually do take out the lows of wave A, but they definitely don't have to. They can also sometimes make higher lows. I just call them irregular ABCs. So keep an eye out for a break to the upside because I do still think that we could start a big old wave three of wave C to the upside, possibly an ABC of 2 if you go all the way up to the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.